Rosh Elevators has been in vertical transportation for 22 years. 2 years ago, the managing director made a decision that they would change the operating system that runs every department. Today, I am going to show you exactly what changed in his own words and what it took. When a company has been around for 22 years, they are not switching software for fun. They have seen every kind of vendor come and go. They have processes built over 2 decades. They have department heads who have been there for 15 years. So when Team Rosh decided to switch, it wasn't because the old way was broken. It was because the new way had to be undeniably better and partner had to be patient enough to honor what already worked. A service complaint raised in the field had no visibility in the office. Sales had no sight of what was happening in the installation. AMC renewals were tracked separately from billing. Every update required a phone call. 22 years of growth had outgrown 22 years of processes, and no single tool was connecting all of them. That was the problem Mr. Seby needed to solve. Here is the part most software vendors skip. We sat with every department head individually, not a single group training. Each head got their own workflow understood before any configuration started. Mr. Frances called this great patience. That patience is the difference between a system that's tolerated and a system that's trusted. Sale hands off to installation through the same workflow. Installation feeds into service. Service feeds AMC renewals. AMC feeds billing. Every department sees what others are doing without a single phone call. Thousands of lifts. 22 years of data. One dashboard. Code from the owner. It's excellent software. The team has been excellent with great patience coordinating with all our department heads during onboarding and execution. The product keeps getting new enhancements and updates that are genuinely required by the elevator industry. This is the part of the partnership that doesn't show up in the demo. The product evolves with the industry, so your investment compounds instead of decaying. 3 things. If you have been around for decades, your operating system change has to honor what already works. Patient, department by department onboarding is non-negotiable. The right partner is one who keeps building, not the one who delivers login and disappears. If your business is at a stage where multi-department coordination needs a single source of truth, comment partner or book a demo at ElevatorPlus.app.